The idea of having Hallie play Ariel in this film and just giving a different representation and telling to the story of Disney's The Little Mermaid, having girls who looked like me when I was little be able to see a mermaid that looks like them is just such a historic moment and so impactful for us as a brand. And I'm a true Disney girl and have been in love with Disney princesses for a very long time. So it's really wonderful to be here as a part of the brand and the founder of the brand, but to also be here as a Disney child. I am honestly super excited about this opportunity for Hallie. I remember when my daughter used to watch Chloe and Hallie on YouTube singing songs, and to see both of their careers just skyrocket and to see her in this way, like I'm so excited to see her in this. So happy for her.